I wonder if you think that this will be the Chinese century, like the 20th century was the American century, or do you think China is on the decline?
I don't think China's on the decline at all. China's in a cyclical adjustment right now, a transition phase like we've seen every developing country. We still have 1.2 billion, 1.3 billion people there. There's a huge middle class that's going to come through the next 15 to 20 years, and they all want to live like we do. So I think over time it's going to be a fantastic market, but they are learning to adjust to cycles like the rest of us.
So when you hear the narrative that China is slowing and watch out, the apocalypse is coming, when you see 7.4% growth in 2014, the lowest they've had in many, many years, do you think that's misguided? I'm
hoping for a slowing economic growth rate that's managed through a transition period. Double-digit growth rates were great for 20 years, but it can't sustain itself for 100 years. So I would say that we'd see 5 to 7% for a few years, and probably down to 3 to 5, then 5, 10, 20 years out from now.
Doesn't scare you?
Not at all. Not at all.
You've said China represents both a huge opportunity, but an opportunity that comes with risk. So I wonder, Doug, when you're looking at a challenging business environment for you guys here in the United States right now, with the stronger U.S. dollar globally, how do you manage China right now?
We manufacture there. We do R&D there. We have a distribution model that looks just like it does in the United States. We do financing there through our captive finance company. The Chinese equipment market, construction equipment market, is still the biggest one in the world, even though it slowed down significantly in the last year. We have to be there. We have 100 competitors or more in China. 1 or 2 or 5 of those will emerge outside of China down the road. We've got to take them on right there.
But are you thinking more carefully when it comes to, should we open another plant there?
Oh, sure, and we're at a level right now that we don't need more capacity for some time, but we will when the construction equipment market starts to stabilize, and it's been down as an adjustment of over infrastructure building the last 10 years, and it will. We'll see demand for our products go up. I don't know if that's going to be in the next 5 years, but we're in pretty good shape for what we have for capacity today and what the demand we think will be the next few years.